Hi guys, welcome to iMoke's channel. Today, I'm gonna show a couple of ways to fix iPhone unavailable problem. You might be faced with this challenge due to forgetting your iPhone passcode. After several wrong attempts, you will reach iPhone unavailable, iPhone disabled, or iPhone security lockout screen. But don't fret, here we are explaining why iPhone says iPhone unavailable and how to fix this issue. Let's get started. First, let's explain why does iPhone say unavailable. The locking screen showing iPhone unavailable, try again means that you have forgotten your passcode and entered the wrong password on your iPhone lock screen. This is a security feature in Apple devices that helps protect your data from leaking or unauthorized access. Sometimes, the problem shows suddenly for no apparent reason after charging or software updates. This can be a system bug and is unrelated to any wrong password. If you have upgraded your iPhone to iOS 17, the first tip may work for you. After several wrong attempts, you will see Forgot Passcode option on iPhone unavailable screen. Tap on it and select Enter Previous Passcode option. Then, try to remember one of your old passcode and enter it. Next, iPhone will ask you to set up a new passcode. Follow to set a new passcode, and finally, you can regain access to your iPhone with no data loss. If you forgot the old passcode, you can also try to erase iPhone on lock screen. Here are the requirements you need to know before you choose this video. First, your iPhone is running on iOS 15.2 and later versions. Second, your iPhone is connected to the network. Last but not least, your iPhone is signed to an Apple ID. Some users always ask the same question, why my iPhone doesn't have an erase option on the lock screen. If you don't sign to an Apple ID on your iPhone, you will reach the screen on the left rather than the right one. Now, let's show you how to erase. Tap on Forgot Passcode and choose iPhone Reset. Next, it will ask you to enter Apple ID password to confirm the erase. Then, tap on Erase iPhone and wait for a while. Finally, when you see the Hello screen, set up your iPhone and done. The next tip is also easy, which is using Find My app. If your two Apple devices are signed to the same Apple ID and Find My is on, you can choose this way. On your other Apple device, launch Find My app. Go to the device list to find the unavailable iPhone. Scroll down to tap on Erase this device. Enter your Apple ID password and your iPhone will be erased automatically. After erasing, you will see the Hello screen. Set up your iPhone to regain access. If you cannot use Find My app, iCloud website also allows you to erase iPhone. Launch the browser to go to iCloud.com. Sign into your Apple ID. Please note that if you haven't signed into your account and trusted it on your computer before, you need to enter the two-factor authentication code. Next, click on Find My to find your unavailable iPhone. Finally, click the Erase button and follow steps to enter your Apple ID password to confirm the erase. The next step is to use iTunes to restore your iPhone. First, you need to put your iPhone into recovery mode to let iTunes to recognize it. Quickly press the volume up button, then the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. Connect your iPhone to your computer via a USB cable. Next, iTunes on Windows or Finder on Mac will pop up. Click the Restore button and follow the steps to confirm. iTunes will download firmware and restore your iPhone automatically. The last tip that seems more efficient and easy is using any unlock. Connect your iPhone via a USB cable. Download and run any unlock on your PC or Mac. Select Unlock Screen Passcode and click Start Now. Next, follow the instructions to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Then, click to download firmware. The downloading time depends on the size of the firmware. Please connect to a stable network and wait patiently. When the firmware is downloaded, click Unlock Now. After the screen passcode is removed, set up your iPhone, and done. That's all. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.